parents and their dogs gathered at JPark Island Resort and Waterpark on Sunday, May 24, for Run for Fun Year 2, a pet-friendly event promoting fitness, bonding, and socialization among pets and owners. Dozens of participants joined the activity, aiming to keep their pets active while exposing them to other animals in a safe, controlled environment. The event also strengthened bonds through shared routines like running and outdoor play. Among them was 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗀, who brought his 3 chow-chows, Clover, Yin, and Yang. Each with distinct personalities, he shared that Clover was his lucky pandemic companion, while the 2 others showed contrasting temperaments but remained closely bonded with him.
Akong pets kay they're chow-chows. So this is Clover, Yin, and Yang. Siya man good actually is more meaningful because mo na siya during pandemic ni siya na pet na mo, and then siya mo gadala na mo swerte sa during those times. So financially, health-wise, so murag siya 4-leaf clover ba. Nagda siya glock. So mo na siya 4 clover good then. And kaning duha is walang koy maunaan, and then murag opposite man kay sila, which is actually opposite good sila. So mo ni sige og siyang.
He also noted that chow-chows need special care due to their thick coats and heat sensitivity, making the event more about socialization than performance. Organizers said the event aims to grow the fur parent community in Cebu and promote pet-inclusive lifestyles.
That's actually the goal for JPark, to bring the paradise, or to offer the paradise for the fur parents to be their place to enjoy, to relax. So it's actually the launching for the pet-friendly resort last year, but we did it today as our 2nd year because we see a potential, or for a potential market for the fur parents, and to give actually also an activity or a day for the fur parents to enjoy with their pets.
𝗥𝘂�59 added that participation increased this year, along with sponsor support, allowing for better prizes and more categories. Safety measures included vaccination checks and veterinary coordination. In the small dog category, Luna, a mini pinscher Chihuahua mix, stood out once again. Owner Jun Tourette emphasized the importance of regular socialization and training.
Important at least ang inyong pet ma-enjoy po, at least dili sila mo alone sa ilapan ba nga sa balay ra sila magstay kinahanglan expose nila para ma-enjoy po ang atong mga pet, dili lang kayo ataguan sa balay, kulong na nato, kinahanglan sila expose nato sa mga daghang mga tao ba, mga event like this, para ma-enjoy kayo sila, dili sila murag maulaw sa ubang mga tao ba, mga pang-iro, mahadlok bitaw sa mga tao. So kinahanglan expose mo sila mga pet ninyo, dili kay taguan na pemente, hiktan. Kung pwede every morning sabay mo jogging, afternoon, para ma-enjoy sila, dili sila lonely kaayo sila mga iro.
Connor, a Labrador Aspen mix, topped the medium category. His owner, Renan Arias, said consistent participation in dog runs helped improve his behavior and reduce aggression.
And my pet is Connor mix Aspen. Kay pandemic dog man gud siya nya. Sa pag-pandemic nagsige mi kuyog-kuyog. Ya dito siya murag na training ra sad nako, murag na timing lang maya. Pagsugod og mga dog runs sige na may kuyog. Then mao to makadaog-daog siya. Ma-socialize man gud sila, makakuha mga laing dogs, makasugat sila. Unless kanang dili kini mo sila i-appeal og mga ingon ani ang mga dog, mga aggressive kayo. Siya at least buta nga sumakaron naaras kong tapa, dili gid siya maglihok. Anad na siya sa mga dog runs. Ya banding na sa nako sa kong anak, kung anak na naman sa siya dog sad. Mo appeal na sa mga ato na second place kanina. Supposed to be mas kusog ito siya. Na timing lang ako nga wala kayo nang appeal ang mga kusgan.
In the large dog category, Belgian Malinois Maximus impressed not only for winning but also for his transformation from an adopted dog into a disciplined companion.
Kanang everyday mudagan jud may, mostly pinakagamay na mudagan is 3K every morning, then sometimes mudagan sa mi tag 20K kami duha. Amo na yang routine nga ako andan ba.
Beyond competition, participants said the event provided a space for connection among pet lovers. The growing turnout reflects the expanding community of fur parents in Cebu and the increasing view of pets as family members. This has been 𝗥𝘂�59 Alexis M. de Masuhid for MyTV Cebu.